Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about India's first single emergency helpline number 112. Recently, our Union Minister for Home Affairs Rajnath Singh and Minister for Women and Child Development Maneka Gandhi jointly launched the number as a part of women's safety. Friends, let's understand what is single emergency number. Emergency numbers are the numbers of emergency services which provide immediate help during the threat of life, medical emergency, fire service, accidents, terror, or other. For every country, it differs, and typically it is a three-digit number which is easy to remember and dialed quickly. The service is similar to the 911 of United States, and 112 is also used in major European countries. Currently, India has multiple emergency number for different emergencies like dial 100 for police services, dial 101 for fire services, dial 102 for ambulance services, dial 108 emergency disaster management services, dial 109 missing children and women service, dial 181. This service is available in Delhi only. This is for women in distress. Dial 1096 for crime against women. All these numbers will be merged into a single helpline number which is 112. In 2016, government came with a new plan to have a single emergency number. Recently in 2019, the government launched the panic button feature on mobile phones for safety of women and other emergency services. The services can be availed in 16 states and union territories of India and in Mumbai. The states and union territories are Andhra Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Andaman, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, and Jammu and Kashmir. Himachal was the first state to launch this service, and Nagaland was the first northeastern state to launch this service. By next year, the service will be available in each part of India. To access the emergency service, a person can dial 112 on a phone or press the power button of the smartphone thrice quickly in case of a normal, basic or feature phone. A long press of the button 5 or 9 will activate the panic call. Smartphone users can also download the 112 mobile application. Friends, now let's understand how the system will work once the user presses the panic button or dial 112 from his phone. 5 calls will be made to emergency number 112 as well as a call log details and the geolocation of the victim will be sent by SMSs and emails to the police officials at the state, district and local levels. In case of emergency, every minute's count. So this service is going to help the people a lot. With this, I would like to end this video. I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and spread the awareness and comment. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.